Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. Today's video, I've never filmed something like this. It's just like, it's just more like a review video and a topic that I've never really talked about it on my channel. Maybe I have in my videos, I can't really remember. But the one thing I wanted to mention is that I suffer a little bit of hair loss, and I have noticed this hair loss. Now it's more like a thing that people say, oh, you will get your hair loss every few weeks, or you will have hair loss every single day because in order to grow new hair, or when you use a hair product, when you shampoo your hair, when you wash your hair, you will have hair loss no matter what. And probably is stress, probably is the eating that I do, probably is because the lifestyle I have or something like that. But anyways, there's lots of different type of factors which is considered with hair loss. So you can't really blame something for one particular thing, if it makes sense, if I'm making any sense. But I have seen that the hair loss was coming quite a lot every single day, and I couldn't really handle it anymore. Even now, if I look at my hair, it is in good condition, touch wood. Now, it is in very good condition, and it is because I have been taking supplements. Supplements or particular gummy bears. Not gummy bears, just gummies in general. And it is from Hum, which are these ones here. Now, if you Google the best or the world's, sorry if this is showing a little bit too much. If you Google like the best gummies for hair or the best supplements for hair, the number one product on the list, or the number one product which will be suggested for you, is this one, and it is the Hum Gummies with Benefits Hair Sweet Hair for stronger, healthier hair. And this is the one that I have been taking for now. It's got 60 vegan berry gummy hearts. Now I have been taking this for good a month, and if I look on pictures in the previous month, I'm gonna insert some pictures or maybe some clicks on the videos. You guys can see how my hair was before. My hair is very thin. I do have frizzy, dry hair. No, it's not that frizzy, but it's more on the dry hair side, and also it's very thin. So I've been taking this, and you guys, I must say I'm pleasantly surprised. Even my mom, she was like, oh my god, your hair has become a little more thicker. What have you been doing? Which shampoo have you been using? What product are you using? I was like, nothing. The only product I've been intaking inside my body is this. And little bit more regarding things. No matter how many times I have changed my shampoo and conditioner, no matter how many times I have like, oh my god, I need a new shampoo conditioner, I need to use another hair product for hair growth, I need to use this for hair growth, I need to use that for hair growth, I need to massage oils into my hair, which has been helping as well. If you guys want me to do like a healthy hair tips for growing your hair, do let me know, and maybe I might film it if you guys are interested. But obviously hair oils, they do help as well. Now every little helps basically. So the shampoos, they didn't really work a lot. So in general, products that I've been using from the outside of my scalp, they didn't work a lot. So the only product that really helped with my hair growth is by taking something from the inside of my body, honestly, from the inside and out, and which is supplements. You'll find supplements in tablets, or you'll find supplements in like gummies. Particular ones, you'll find them in gummies, or I have used biotin in the previous years as well, which didn't help a lot, but this has a lot of biotin. I'm gonna tell you guys in a second. Now, Hum is a brand which is really popular in their supplements categories, and people love Hum. So this got biotin, it's got folic acid, it's got FUT, it's got B12, it's got zinc, and it's got papa. So it's a dietary supplement. It's got 60 vegan berry gummy hearts. They're nice heart shapes, they're very cute. I am on my second dose at the moment. This is, by the way, a 1 month update regarding my hair, and also a 1 month update regarding this like product, if you want to call it. So this product has a very unique combination of clinically researched nutrients for stronger, healthier hair, including biotin, zinc, B12, papa, which helps to maintain the hair color. It's got folic acid, which is beneficial for the hair growth, and futi, which is a root used in Chinese medicine for healthier hair. Best of all, which is their gummies, which are also vegan and also got a very nice berry kind of taste. It's got the berry taste, which is so nice. It is pure and potent nutrients. It's gluten free. It's got no GMO. It's sustainably sourced. It's got no artificial colors, preservatives. It's basically really recommended by leading nutritionists. So it's a very powerful product, and everybody raves about this and loves this product. Also, it has no gluten, no soy, no nuts, milk, fish, artificial colors, artificial flavoring. There's none of that inside. It's a very clean product, which we all need. And also it is a vegan product, so amazing for people who are vegan, so you can try it out as well. So they recommend to take 2 gummies per day. So I've been taking one in the mornings and one in the evenings. I've been taking one after breakfast and then one after dinner. I feel like this really works out for me the best, and I've been taking consistently for a good a month, and I've been seeing very nice results. Again, I'm gonna insert some clips. This is my current hair. It is very nice and thick. Now, this part of my hair before was very thin for some reason, and now I can see volume, and I can see my hair has become much more thicker, much more nicer, much more healthier as well. Even if I brush it, I can see that my hair has become a little bit more stronger, and also from the roots it's become more stable, which I really like. I wanted to quickly mention the biotin. It's got 5000 mcg biotin. So 5000 is literally a lot, and the previous biotin tablet that I used to take had only 1000 mcg of biotin, and this has like the 5 times more biotin inside in each gummy. So you can imagine how powerful and how strong the gummies are. And I really want to show you guys how the gummies look. Just wait 1 minute. So I am back, and I really want to show you guys, because I'm not making any rumors or any lies in here. Honestly, this is the second bottle and this is the finished bottle. You guys can see this one is empty and this one is nice and full, and I wanted to show you how the gummies look, and it smells so good. It's this nice berry. I love berry flavored gummies, like strawberry laces or strawberry Haribos are one of my favorite sweets ever. Honestly, I can demolish 1 packet of the strawberry gummies, so this is very dangerous. So I have to keep it literally out of the side, because I don't want to consume more than 2 a day, and I can't get it out. Come on. They're very stuck because it is literally a new bottle that I've opened just today. So these are how the gummies look. Very nice and tiny. So they're full of nutrients and full of power, and they're in this nice heart shape, and they're so cute, and smells amazing. Smells amazing. So yeah, so this is my 1 month update regarding this hair product, the Hum, which is a very nice product, and it's a product of Canada, which I didn't knew about. And speaking of this, you'll find this in a double pack, which you will save a little bit more money in Cult Beauty. You'll only find Hum in Cult Beauty, I believe, or maybe in some other places. Now, the only place I could find this product is in Cult Beauty. Honestly, Cult Beauty, all the things I need or I'm looking for, I'm finding it there now. There's so many other things I have bought from Cult Beauty that I only could find in their website. So definitely keep an eye on the Hum supplements. And overall, I must say this product has really helped me. And I'm not just saying that because it's the review. I'm saying it generally now. If it didn't really work, I would have said it. But I can see it does make a little bit of a difference when I have used this supplement. And even on the reviews on the Cult Beauty website, there were so many positive reviews that it really persuaded me as well to get it. And it was, as I said, in the #1 list and across every beauty magazines out there, slash Vogue, Harper's Bazaar, Marie Claire, etc. So there were so many good reviews regarding this, so that's why I got it as well. And do let me know if you guys have tried this as well, and do let me know which other kind of hair supplements are good, and just do let me know what you do for a hair growth, because I am a little bit of a need of a hair growth. But honestly, hopefully if I finish this off, I'm gonna do like a second video, like a 2-month update using this, and I will give you also guys my review and my personal opinion as well. So this was it with this video, so hope you guys all enjoyed it. It was very like casual setup and wasn't really fancy, because I was just feeling like talking to you guys and just giving you guys an update and slash a review. And this is really annoying me, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Rahma. I am active on there on my stories. I always post like mini reviews, mini hauls, and just I'm always active on my Insta stories, so definitely come over there and follow me. And also don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to don't miss out on content like these. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in my next video.